Hey guys, back on the tracks where today I'm taking little man for a walk. Yes, we just started doing it. He wanted to go outside so much. We put a harness on him and I got his leash. And let's go. And he's kind of exploring. Oh, I have the perfect name for this video. Cat on the loose. Anyway, he kept on when we opened the door, he would kept on running out. So he's gonna have to get used to a harness now. I don't leash. But for now, we're just gonna let him explore. Guys, it's so cold out. I'm so tired. Oh man. Needs to get up. Little man, I would appreciate it if you got up. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. Come on. Okay, I'm just going to stay nice and close to you, okay? So nice and close. Well, if we're going on the sidewalk, we're going to stick nice and close together. Yep, you can't move that far away. Okay, sorry guys. Anyway, this is my cat, little man, if you don't know that. But usually, you just start taking him on walks. Because he got no, little man. Anyway, I'm not going to let him go in the bushes. Give him a little adventure space. Not too much. Shake it. I can. Shake it like I'm tired and want to go to bed. Okay. We see the wildest little man in his natural habitat. Zoom in. There's the wild little man. Sure. Little man is noticing something else. Little man, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Little man. I said yeah. Yo man. He's gone. Anyway, as you can see, his harness. It's not really that funny. I don't like people make fun of him just because he has a harness. Or the cats make fun of him. Or the kitties he has make fun of him. They're going down. Because, he looks... Little man looks pretty gangster. He got his gangster jacket out. He's wearing his gangster jacket. Yeah, and he's going to be wearing a Christmas hat soon. Huh? Huh?
But he thinks he's a dog.
But he's a cat.
No, he is.
Okay, this might be a boring video to some of you people, but some of you might actually like it. Anyway, I just wanted to show this, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Well, see you guys at the next station. Bye! What episode? I'm not doing episodes.